Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nugget from Twiddlefinger. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. At the top, let's draw a small curve up and curve it over on the right side. And then let's add a few bumps going down and over on the right. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw 2 bumps over to the left. Then let's curve it up and down. And then some more bumps going down. Now let's continue it by drawing bumpy lines down. And a bumpy line down on the right side as well. Now from the right side, let's angle it back in. And a point underneath on the left. And then close off the bottom with a wavy line across. Now let's hop inside the body and let's give it a 3D shape. On the top right, let's draw an angle down and then a bump underneath. Now let's bring it down again and a few more bumps going down, stopping here. And now let's bring it over to the left side with a bumpy line across. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the face. Inside on the top left, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then another curve underneath. Now let's do the same thing on the right for the other eye. Next, inside each of the eyes, let's draw a small circle on the top left. And color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw a curve going down and out for the eyebrows. And then from the center, let's draw an angle up and then curve it back down to the ends. And now let's color both of the eyebrows in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. And then curve it down on the right side. Then at the bottom, let's curve it back over to the left. Now inside the mouth here, let's draw the teeth. From the top, let's step in and let's draw a line down and curve it over to the right. And then one more line underneath. Now next to the mouth on the right here, let's draw an angled curve. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add some detailed lines to the body. On top of the eyebrows, let's draw 2 bumps. Next, let's hop down and let's draw a sideways 6 shape. And lastly, let's add some bumpy lines all over the body. And that's it for Nugget. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!